Right. Classical inspiration. Again, I'll let you pause it and take a read. Now, I'm not going to go into the museum. But we're going to take a walk around. So let's see what's going on. Right, so we should be starting a new video about now. So we're going to be walking around this building, the Irish Modern Museum of Art. And I think we can walk around it. I don't know if it's open, but I think the grounds are. I wouldn't be going inside it anyway if it was open, for two reasons. Three reasons. One, I'm out of breath. Two, I don't want to be indoors, catch COVID. Number three, I'll be recording people's artwork. So unless I got permission, I wouldn't be doing it. So hopefully we can walk around the grounds. It's a stunning building though. Seems to be some sort of tent there. Right. And there's some art, or a natural occurrence. It's like when you get a Malteser with another Malteser attached to it. So that's probably what happened, and he got the inspiration. There's a car, but he's been told to drive slow, so he better. Like, slowing down to take the shot, but it looks magnificent. The old building, the old windows, looks like there's construction going on. The stonework, the details. The time is off, but you know, I'll give them credit. All the details. Right, let's see if we can get a nicer shot here. I'm not putting thumbnails up on my videos because I've just been lazy. I'll start doing it again in a while. But yeah, that looks pretty. Right. And now it is open. So the gardens. Again, I've never been here. It's been on my list of things to do and see and experience. As you can see in the background, you have like new buildings. They're actually fairly new, I think last 10 years built. So yeah, I think I'll eat up my last two videos here actually. This looks stunning. Tom, I hope you're taking note of the work. Let me know what you think below. It's a little uneven. I'm sure you could do a better job, you know. It's interesting, coming at it at an angle, but it looks like to be perpendicular, if that's the right word, of the north and south, and facing the building as well. So that's very interesting, the design.